For the past month, Castrol has been running a competition where we wanted you to nominate somebody truly deserving of this car. And that's when we decided to contact Ahmed.
Every time he wanted to get his car, something happened. He's a really hard-working guy. I thought that he would really deserve this car. It's gonna change his life. The idea that he has no clue about what's happening, I'm sure he's gonna be shocked.
صباح الخير.
صباح النور.
شو وين سيارتك؟
شو هاي اخذتها امبارح. كيف حلوة؟
جنة ما شاء الله.
عقول نسمع في اشي.
ايش؟
في موضوع بدي احكيه معك.
ايش في؟
انه لما اجيت اطلع هاي السيارة فعليا انا ما طلعتها.
كيف طلعتها؟
يعني فعليا يا سيدي العزيز هاي سيارتك.
ايش سيارتي؟ ايش سيارتي؟ I never thought I'd win anything in my life. I can't describe, how happy I am to actually win such a prize. Amazing car. It's going to be very helpful for me to get wherever I want to go. It's one of the best things that could ever happen to anyone. Thank you, Castrol. I'll definitely be taking care of the car and listen to their engine.